Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable auto tick ingredient sound and how to disable it, and then I'll show you how it works on your THERMOMIX TM7. Your ingredients will automatically tick when they are completed in the guided cooking mode. Now, in order to turn it off or on, just the sound, not the auto tick itself, just the sound of it, you can find the 9 dots on the left sidebar, then go to the settings, and now find sounds. Then you can enable auto tick ingredients, and now I'll show you how it works. You can also uncheck it. Yeah, let's do it. And now I'll show you how it works. So if I go to a recipe and then start, it will start doing the recipe. And yeah, I need to add 220 grams of water. So it tells me to remove the lid. Now the lid is removed and the scale is on. Then I can put the ingredient. Instead of the ingredient, I'll just put some things in the bowl just so it starts weighing something. And now you can see it's correct and it ticks off automatically. And it plays a sound, and that is the sound. Then if I tick off manually, it won't play the sound. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.